Uh-oh, they fell off. Crash. Crash. Push them around the track so Mimi can fit it. Can you push it around the track? Over the hill. Oh, they crashed again. They crashed again.
Uh-oh.
Oh, hell.
Another wreck?
Yes. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Did they crash again?
One, two, three, four.
Dude, your underwear is showing.
Brian can fix it up, and they won't stay up when you pull them up.
Hey, you're in the corner. Mickey. Some of them give Kiko some trouble. It's a lot of trouble, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.
They don't behave. Whee! Who's this over here stuck on the track? James. Is he stuck?
Yes.
Yes. Push it on around. Can you push it? Push that one. Are you going to play? You want me to stop recording? Stop recording?
Yes.
Look at Mimi. Tell Mimi hi. Say I love you.
Thank you.
I love you too, Cody. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Look at the camera and wave bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Yeah, wave bye-bye.
You wave bye-bye with your hand. Can you wave with your hand?
No.
No.